Hey guys, just a short video where I want to connect a few dots for people with regards to Zionism and how deep their influence is. So when you're talking about boycotting Zionist products, please consider the fact that Moderna vaccine manufacturer CEO is Zionist, Pfizer CEO is Zionist, AstraZeneca CEO is Zionist, Johnson & Johnson CEO is Zionist. Each of these big pharma companies have been caught knowingly selling toxic chemical-filled substances to humans that have killed humans. Each of them has been proven to do that. If you want to know details about this, follow my page. Please also consider the fact that Bill Gates is a Zionist, and he had strong ties to another Zionist, Jerry Epstein. And the Moderna and Pfizer and many of these vaccines are DNA manipulative. So what is Zionism actually? It's about complete fallacy that there is a master race, that there's certain individuals that have a superior DNA. The truth is these individuals have corrupted DNA. They have hybrid DNA. They don't have pure human DNA. Their bloodlines are what basically constitute the secret societies. That's why they are bloodline societies. And their main goal is to merge their corrupted DNA with all the rest of humanity and basically destroy what pure human DNA is. This has been the same with Nazism. It's the same today with the Zionist agenda of masking you, making you silent, making it difficult for you to breathe, and then selling you a solution of a vaccine, which is actually basically a eugenics program to depopulate the earth and sterilize humanity. So please connect all these dots. Please understand there's a reason why Israel is going around on charm offensive in the world in the last year. Once they've managed to successfully dupe everyone on their pandemic. The pole shift is a real thing. People are actually getting sick. It's a vibrational frequency change that is happening. These are signs of the end of time. If you're a believer, you'll know of some of these things. If you're not, please consider looking into them. This is all scientific. So yeah, a short video here just to connect some seemingly unconnected topics. Everything is connected. Make no mistake about that. And if you want to find out more, please investigate and look up my channel. My name is Umair Dar, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.